Yeah, post installation steps are in progress. Okay. Meanwhile, I need to upload some videos. కెన్నర్ ఆఫీస్ ఎప్పుడు?
మధ్యాహ్నం సార్.
Okay. Sonam, you are free, right? You need to log into the office.
Yes, sir. I'm free.
Shailaja, are you free?
I need to send my kid to school.
Okay. So you can go. Okay.
Okay.
సార్ ఈరోజు లైనక్స్ ఇన్స్టాలేషన్తో ఆపేస్తారా?
ఇంకా ఉన్నాయి కదా ప్యాకేజెస్ చేయాలి, మనం ఇంటర్నెట్ సెట్ చేసుకోవాలి, అవన్నీ చేయాలి.
ఓకే.
ఓకే. అవి అవి కూడా ఇంపార్టెంటే కదా.
ఎస్ సార్.
సో వాట్ ఈజ్ రిక్వైర్డ్ అనేది మనం చేస్తాం. ఓకే. పార్ట్ ఆఫ్ ర్యాక్ ఏం కావాలనేది చేస్తాం.
ఓకే.
దీని నుంచి మళ్ళీ సర్వర్ని బేస్ చేసుకుని మనం సో వీఆర్ గోయింగ్ టు పెర్ఫార్మ్ ఏ క్లోన్ ఫ్రమ్ ర్యాక్ 3 to ర్యాక్ 4 server level clone. Okay. Instead of installing the new server, we are going to copy. And we don't need to do any other steps. Okay, just we need to set the IP addresses. Okay, once everything set up done in rack 3, so we are going to do clone to the rack 4, then we will get the IPs of only rack 3. Okay, the name of the server is different, but the IP address of the particular server and the host name of the particular server is same. Okay, so we are going to update those.
Sure, sir. कौन सा स्कूल? इंटरनेशनल स्कूल है।
Okay, it is asking some license information. Just click on that, accept, or click on done. Okay, network and internet again. It is showing off. You have to click on Okay, so 1.103. The same way you have to click on this. It's by default. It is on. Click on done. Click on finish configuration. Now it is showing Oracle user. From here, you connect to the terminal is opened. Okay, so let's try to connect. Okay, so the here, as Ponam said, the host name is updated. So va/etc host name. Here we have to update to RAC 3. It's done. Okay, that issue is fixed. Now we are connecting from outside. We'll see whether it is connected or not. Just click on RAC 2, load 103, RAC 3, save, then double click on RAC 3. Okay, now it is connecting to the root user. Just ping google.com. Okay, now it is connecting to the Google. You can clearly see this one. Yum list Oracle star 19C. Okay, it should give some result. Now it is doing some M update. Okay, if it is not showing any result, so we have to do M update again. Okay, this is the package. This package we have to install. Yum install this package. Okay, so what is the use of this package? Whenever you install this package, what are the RPMs related to Linux 19C? Okay, there is a combination Oracle database 19C plus Linux 7.5. Okay, the combination related RPMs will be installed. Okay, without these RPMs, if you try to install the software, in the middle of the installation, it will do pre-checks. It will show some warning messages. Okay, if you install the software without installing these RPMs, mean there are some features will be affected in the database. Okay, make sure all the packages should be installed before proceeding with the database software installation. Okay, this will take care of installing all the packages related to Oracle 19C. Now it is doing this. Okay. Almost all things are done, mostly. Yum list Oracle ASM start. Yum install this one. and why. This RPM is related to Oracle ASM. Okay, there is some other RPM. I think that is available with me or not. I'm not sure. Let me check here.
సార్ RAC 2 లో ఇన్స్టాల్ చేస్తున్నారా ఇవన్నీ?
It's not RAC 2. Okay, it's RAC 3 only.
అక్కడ RAC 2 అని ఉంది సార్, అది అందుకని.
If we check here, IP address is this one. Okay, after next restart onwards, it will pick the node name RAC 3. Okay, we already updated.
Okay.
There is some other RPM we need to download from Google. Let me check here. Let's see. The drive, I think I uploaded. We'll see. We don't have. Okay. Oracle ASM lib RPM for Oracle Linux 7. Okay, we installed, I think we installed Oracle ASM support RPM. We need to install lib. Okay, 2.1.11 support RPM we install. We are going to install this one. Download this and copy by using WinSCP. 192.168.1.103 root password is this one, Oracle ASM lib RPM. So we have to copy this to temp folder. Copy it from here to here. It's done. Close. Then go to this cd/temp ltr. I think this is the one. RPM-IVH. Okay, this is local installation. Okay, so if you install from internet, you have to use M repository. But if you want to install through a file, okay, so you have to use RPM-IVH. Okay, it will take care of a single RPM installation. This is done. Okay, it's completed. We just need to stop and start the server directly. We don't need to do any init 0 and all. Power off. Then change the network settings. So put it host only. Click on OK. Or on the virtual machine. Okay, now the server is restarted. We'll see. We'll connect to not listed as a root user. Okay, you can see the root password. Okay, here end of the class, you can see the root password. That is welcome #123 capital A. Okay, check the root password. Scroll this video, the second video. You can get the details. Then it is asking something. Yeah. Open terminal. Okay, you can see RAC 3 now. Okay, after restart, so we got RAC 3. Connect to the server again as a root user from Putty. I think now it is not connecting. We'll see what is the issue here. Okay, IP address is not set here. If town ENS33 this command you have to give, then if up. Again check if config. We'll see IP address is configured or not. Still IP address is not configured. We'll see. VI IFCFG ENS 33. Okay, here we can clearly see IP address is configured. Here we have to change boot proto is equals to static. It's a static IP address. On boot is showing no. On boot you have to give S. Okay. Save it. If down ENS33, again try if up. We have to try multiple times. Again, see the IP address. Now it is picked up. Okay, this IP is related to public IP. So we have to configure the private IP. So 2.203 is our private IP. So we'll see how to configure the private IP here. I think we have to check whether it is showing static or dynamic. -34. It is showing like DHCP. Boot proto we have to change here. Static. Here IP ADDR. We have to give 192.168.2.203. Okay, on boot is equal to S. Everything you can see clearly. Here we updated this. Then save. If down ENS 34. Okay, so we are just resetting our network. If up ENS 34. Then scroll it up, we'll see whether it is picked up or not. It hasn't picked up. Again, give if down ENS 34. ENS. Again, if up ENS 34. Again, check. Yeah, now it taken. Okay, we got all the IPs. Now, in the etc host file, we have to configure the IPs. Okay, here
Sir,
you have to check.
ఎగ్జిట్ అవుతున్నాను.
Okay.
వీడియోస్ చూసి నేను ప్రాక్టీస్ చేస్తాను
Okay.
ఇవాళ. ఓకే సార్, థ్యాంక్ యూ సార్.
192.168.1.103 RAC 3, 192.168.1.104 RAC 4, 192.168.1.203 RAC 3-VIP, 192.168.1.204 RAC 4-VIP, 192.168.2.201 rack 3 -priv 192.168.2.2.203 2.204 rack 4 -priv 192.168.1.30. Okay, rack scan 34. Okay, rack scan 34, which we are using for third node and fourth node. Then save it. Done. All setup is done. Just execute init 0. Now again, you have to check the space in the local disks. Okay, whether we have space or not. 65 GB. Need to clean up something. Okay, I'm deleting SRVR 88. This one also. How much we have space? 69 GB till now. SRVR 88. I am going to delete. Okay, let's keep it. Okay, we'll see. Now you have to click on this. Click on manage, click on clone. Go next. Next. Create a full clone. Next. Here you have to do rack 4. Browse. Click on open disk E. Give rack 4 folder. Click on OK. Click on finish. Okay, clone is done. Just power on the virtual machine.
So we can manage all server at a time.
That is what based on your RAM. Okay, so we have to manage. Okay. Sometimes it may stuck also. We are not sure. Okay. based on your system capacity, it will work.
Suppose we stop some server, then we can work on 2 servers, so it can work, na sir?
Don't until unless okay, we do like cloning activity, right? That time
Yes, sir.
we may try to use. Okay.
Okay, sir.
Root user we connected, right? Still it is showing host name RAC 3. Just update here. RAC 4. Okay, we clone to RAC 4, right? So we have to update to RAC 4. Then IP addresses, etc sysconfig, network scripts, IF, CFG, ENS 33. Here 1.103 showing, we have to update it to 1.104. It's done. Okay, then ENS 34. Open this 2.203. We have to update it to 2.204. It's done. Cat etc/source. So cross verify again. So properly configured or not. 34.103.104.203.204.203.204. Tag 34 scan is 30. Okay, done. Setup is completed
Yes.
for both the servers.
Yes, sir.
Okay, both the server setup is completed. Tomorrow we'll work on the storage part. Okay, so
Okay,
how
sir.
we have to configure the storage, we'll see tomorrow.
Yes.
Thank you.
Thank you, sir.
Good day.
Thank you, sir.